Bar charts. Bar chart is the most commonly used chart by traders and investors around the world. The bar chart displays a series of vertical lines and horizontal dashes. Drawing a vertical line that connects the high price with the low price, and two horizontal dashes, one on the left for the opening price and one on the right for the closing price, forms the bar chart. The top of the vertical line represents the high price of a specific time frame. The bottom of the vertical line represents the low price of a specific time frame. The left horizontal dash represents the opening price of a specific time frame, and the right horizontal dash represents the closing price of a specific time frame. The time frame can vary depending on short, medium, or long-term investment strategies, whether it's 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. The bar chart displays the four important price values, which makes the bar chart a very useful tool for trading.